welcome to my channel. I'm Corey and this is the Art Archaeologist channel. So I wanted to do these, I got this idea to do these little, I'm calling them magical manifestation cards. And I'm actually doing a workshop on these here in Colorado. I started doing quite a number of workshops. And if you're into looking up what I've got going on, my website is studio1126.net, and the website is constantly being updated, so that's what I've got going on outside of my YouTube channel. And I'm going to make like 30 of these little cards, and I'm just going to use them for what I think. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to make 31. I'm going to have one for every day of the month, and then I'm just going to keep these in a little basket and draw one out each day, and then let that word or phrase be the theme for that day. So when you make these, you'll see that we do a lot of gluing, and then what you're going to want to do with these after you get some made is you're just going to want to put some weight on them to flatten them out, because you definitely don't want to iron these with all the glue involved. And then the back, I just did little guess checks, and these are not perfect, but they're also my first ones, so I'll probably figure out a better way to do this. But at the same time, see how it's a little bubbled? At the same time, I really don't care, because all I'm going to do with this card is just take the word harmony, and I'm going to write a couple thoughts down about harmony on the back, and these are strictly going to be for my own little personal use. So here's a quick flip of these 4 that I made. And I did a video before where I spattered a bunch of paper, and I used a lot of those papers in this video. So I will link this other spattered paper embellishment video below in the description box if you'd like to check that out too. And then I did reach out. This one's kind of tricky for me. Sometimes I have a hard time reaching out, so I thought that would be a really neat card to have. And then the take action I'm pretty good at, but it's a great reminder. And then prosperity, so you just spend the day thinking about prosperity and making it happen in your life. So those are the 4. I'm going to make a few more for my kit when I do this workshop, so that I'm going to make them and teach them off of the ones I make. And then those I'll do a flip through of. And when I get, now that you've got the tutorial here today, I'll just do a flip through of all the rest of the cards, because you really don't need to see how to do it again. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you give this a shot. I love these so much. And you can go wild with these. You can do buttons, lace, fabric, anything you want. I had to stick with paper and just a little bit of cheesecloth, because I have to haul everything to the site where I'm doing the workshop. So I figured if I keep it simple, that's probably the best policy. But definitely keep in mind, you can go wild with these and just make them to your heart's content. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and play some music and show you how I made these.